So students, it is image classification. So as we know what is image classification, what is classification? It is a type of supervised learning. Okay, it comes under the supervised machine learning. In machine learning, we have three different types. Okay, one is supervised, second is unsupervised, and third is reinforcement. Okay, so it is supervised machine learning, and it is image classification, means we will classify the images, and we are using the API. What is meaning of API? The full form of API is application programming interface. Okay, API is application programming interface. We are using the help of this technology. What is the meaning of application programming interface? It means it is basically a application to application interfacing. Okay, it is basically the application to application interfacing. When we are pressing one application, so with the help of that we are opening the another application. Okay, for example, we are example is we are uploading image on Twitter using Facebook account. Okay, we are actually using the Facebook, and within the Facebook we are uploading image on the Twitter. So it is application to application interface. Okay, so in the similar way in our project we will upload the images, we will import the images from other location. Okay, so in this part I will discuss the theory part with you. Okay, in the next session, I will show the program on Google Colab, making a one separate notebook. Okay, so image classification using API. So first thing is that it is the classification of images. It is the supervised learning, supervised machine learning, and we are using the API, application programming interface. We are importing the images from other location. Okay, and here we are using the Google APIs.com. Okay, Google APIs.com is a platform where we have different APIs, different type of we can say images are there, and other things are also there which we can directly import to our notebook in Google Colab. So I am using that platform, that is Google APIs.com. Okay, so what is the design flow here? So what is the design flow here? First we have the import the images. I will write here images dataset. Okay, first I will import the images dataset, and then from where I am importing from Google APIs. Okay, it is a location, from there I am importing the images, and then on that images we are giving the training. Okay, training using image classifier. Okay, using the image classifier. Now what is the image classifier? Image classifier is a library, okay, which is present in a package, that is TensorFlow, okay, model library. Okay, so what is TensorFlow in detail? I will explain you in the next session. Okay, when I will explain you on the Google Colab. Okay, TensorFlow is basically a package that we have to install first in Google Colab. Then we have to import the libraries. So we are using the specifically image classifier, CLA, image classifier library. Okay, what is the meaning of library? Library means any location where programs are already stored. So here we have different machine learning algorithms. By the help of these algorithms, we are making the classification. And in addition to that, we will use the matplotlib library. Matplotlib. Okay, you know very well about the matplotlib. What is it? It is used to make the plots. So here for the images, I am making different subplots. Okay. So first, I am using the Google APIs to import the images in the Google Colab. Then we are making the training of the images. We train the data with image classifier. Image classifier is a library which is present in the model, that is TensorFlow. Okay. So from TensorFlow, we import the image classifier library and we also use a matplotlib. Then in the third step, what we are doing, we are exporting the data, exporting the trained data set. Okay, so first we have the images from Google API, we provide the training. Okay, it means we implement the algorithms, then that data we upload on the, we export on the TensorFlow. Okay, where we are exporting, we are exporting on TensorFlow. Okay, and there we are doing the analysis part, analysis to get accuracy and error. Okay, to get accuracy and error. Okay, so it is our design flow, that first we import the images using the help of APIs, Google APIs. APIs is application programming interface. Okay, we are training the data using image classifier, which is a library available in TensorFlow package. Okay, so first we install the TensorFlow package. That complete programming I will show you in the next session. Okay, after installing of this package, that is TensorFlow, we are importing the libraries. Okay, so one of them is image classifier library, that is used to, where different algorithms are there which are used to classify the images. Okay, and here I am taking the images of, so here I am taking the images of different flowers. Okay, images of different flowers. Okay, and we are giving the 5 labels, giving 5 labels. 5 labels means I am giving the names. Okay, I am getting the values only for roses, lotus, jasmine. So 5 labels I will give. As you know, supervised learning is a type of machine learning where we have the labeled data. Labeled data means we have the categories with exact name. that these are belongs to lotus, these are belong to rose, these are belong to jasmine, whatever your levels assigned. Okay, so according to that, in output after image classification, okay, we were able to differentiate, we will be able to differentiate that these are the exact labels or these are not. Okay, so we will do the color coding. Okay, color coding we will do. Color coding for exact prediction, color coding for exact prediction, okay, with black, and color coding of false prediction with red. Okay, so we will change the label. If our prediction is right, we predicted the image as lotus and it is also the lotus, so it will become the, it will show in the black color. If it is a wrong prediction, the picture is of lotus but we predict it as as rose, so that will come in the red color. Okay, so in that way it is a design flow. We use the image, making the image classification project with APIs. It is supervised machine learning. Okay, we import the images from Google APIs. We train the data with the help of machine learning algorithms using image classifier. Then we export the data on TensorFlow. Then again we implement the models to find the accuracy. Okay, and at output you will get the images.